Are you struggling with dry or dull skin? Don't worry. Let's start with our hydrating oatmeal and honey mask, perfect for bringing back moisture and glow. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, a little warm water. Steps: in a bowl, mix the oatmeal, honey, and enough warm water to form a thick paste. Apply the mixture evenly to your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. If you're dealing with breakouts or oily skin, this turmeric and yogurt mask will be your new best friend. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon honey. Steps: mix all the ingredients until smooth. Apply to your face, focusing on acne-prone areas. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and rinse it off with cool water. Turmeric reduces inflammation and redness, while yogurt calms the skin and kills bacteria. Want your skin to glow instantly? Try our banana and honey face mask, a fantastic natural brightener. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of honey. Steps: mash the banana in a bowl until smooth. Add the honey and mix well. Apply the mask to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. To keep your skin healthy, always remember to drink plenty of water. Cleanse your face daily. Use a gentle moisturizer after applying masks. Healthy skin starts with simple, natural care. White heavy check mark like this video if you love natural remedies. White heavy check mark subscribe to our channel for more skincare and health tips. Stay healthy. Stay glowing.